Bonjour! So greetings and gestures in French. Let's sum it up. You can always find more vocabulary in the class PowerPoint and on MindTap and in your textbook. Greetings. Hi. Salut. Coucou. Watch out. Coucou can be flirty or can be cute and amongst friends and kids. Okay? So the most common ones is salut. Coucou is used in very specific situations. Greetings. Hello. Bonjour. Rebonjour. Rebonjour is used if you meet the person again on the same day. Okay? And it's throughout the day. Bonsoir. Rebonsoir. You can also say rebonsoir if you meet the person again on the same day. But this is past 6 p.m. Introducing someone. Formel. Madame, Monsieur Chevant, je vous présente. And the person will answer. Enchanté, Madame, Monsieur. Informel. Simon, voici Paul. Ah, salut Paul, ça va? Parting ways, prendre congé. Salut, so it can be to say hi or bye informally. À bientôt, see you soon. À demain, see you tomorrow. Au revoir, goodbye, and it's a bit more formal. À la prochaine, till next time. À plus tard, see you later. If you want to say see ya, you can say à plus. Have a good, souhaiter. Bon weekend. Have a good weekend. Bonne journée. Have a good day. Bonne nuit. Have a good night. Bon dimanche. Have a good Sunday. And once you know the days of the week, you can substitute dimanche by another day. Bonne soirée. Have a good evening. All right, so now let's see what gestures we use with those greetings. Faire la bise, le salut de la main. In France, kissing on the cheek, faire la bise, is used amongst friends and family members. You start by offering your left cheek. The minimum number of kisses is 1 or 2. The maximum number depends on the people and on the region. You wave, le salut de la main, passing by or to say hi from a distance. Salut! Serrer la main. In more formal situations, like a business meeting, people shake hands. Serrer la main. If you don't know what to do in any situation, just wait for the other person to do the first move. They will offer you their hand or their cheek, slightly moving forward towards you. Le salut du pied, le salut du coude. Due to COVID, people started replacing kisses and also shaking hands by foot check or tap, le salut du pied, or an elbow tap, le salut du coude. That's it for now.